Are they coming? There they go. You gonna get down there with them? I don't know if you can see the fish. They're eating popcorn right out of Cora's hand. And she had her goggles on, so she went right down in the water with the fish.
Why is this so funny?
She's acting like a fish.
Yeah.
No, don't do that. You're gonna scare them away.
Where's the fishies?
Okay, ready? You got your goggles on? All right.
Where are they?
Over here. They're by my feet. Did he eat it?
Where are the fishies?
There you go. This might be scaring them.
Why can't we catch one?
Wait a minute. Okay, now can you feed them? They're probably full. They ate so much popcorn. Did he eat it?
No, he's biting my finger.
He's biting your finger? She is right down in the water with the fish. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the fish. She's feeding them right out of her hand. And she's down in the water. You want to try to feed them, Kaden? You're trying to catch them? Okay. Good luck. They're quick, aren't they?
What if they go in the bucket?